Welcome to your own channel, Romance with Finance, a brand of Financial Freedom Hub. On this channel, you get the videos and information on personal finance. Recently, we took a break and we were having food at the buffet in the zoo. While having the lunch, we understood about diversification. We understood about over-diversification, under-diversification, and proper diversification while having the food. Thereafter, we witnessed a glimpse on diversification strategies, wherein we understood a little bit about geographical diversification. In order to facilitate the international trade and due to geographical locations, the countries across the globe are involved in export and import activities. As each and every country has its own currency, thus geographical diversification has the challenge and risk of currency volatility. Let's get deep down into the fact that why you, being an investor, should diversify your portfolio internationally and why you should not diversify your portfolio internationally. First, let's resume with the pros of international diversification. When you diversify internationally, then you reduce a country's specific risk. If your entire portfolio is tied to one country like India or the US, a political crisis, an economic slowdown, or regulatory changes in that particular country could significantly hurt your returns. So, international investments helps spreading risk globally. Participation in global growth. Different countries grow at different times. While one economy might be slowing, another might be booming. International diversification lets you benefit from global growth cycles. Currency advantage. Holding assets in different currencies can hedge you against the depreciation of a particular currency and can add another level of diversification. Access to unique opportunities. There are a lot of industries and companies which grow exponentially. However, the exposure to those companies or industries is restricted because of geographical boundaries. So some industries or companies like European luxury brands, US tech giants, or Japanese robotic firms does not exist in the national market. Hence, there is a need to diversify the portfolio internationally. Although the global markets are interlinked, however, market across the globe doesn't always move together. When one market is down, another might be up. So, global diversification helps in stabilizing your portfolio. Learning is a never-ending process and we keep on learning irrespective of our age. Hope you are learning from this video. As they say that learning is never ending, however, this video has come to an end. Although this video has come to an end, however, the topic that we are discussing about, which is diversification, is a huge topic, and the other details on this diversification topic would be covered in the forthcoming videos. Hope this video was useful to you and you have learned something today. If yes, then